Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 15th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 2 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 6929. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. So could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but I don't think so, a hard one. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Okay, next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here I see only one dual box. The 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here, I believe. Then the last question, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? See here, only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. So my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, here, another one, but mirrored. Oh, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. More, yeah, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope, only one. And then the last shape in this puzzle is this shape that you need to recognize. Yeah, that you need to recognize. In this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one of this kind in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? That box, can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there, because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright, then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be a 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 3. Then I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. So, not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright, this box can be a 5, because we have double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this area should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Then. Well. These 2 boxes box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, but this box can also not be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this quarter box should be the 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I need to think. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Look, we have a 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 4 here. Alright. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. Come on. 1, 2, 3 or 4. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Think. Well, 1, 5. Ay. I need to think. 1, 2, 5, 3, and the 4. Come on. No, 4, 1. 1 and a 3. Overlooked. 1 and a 3. We already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Okay. Now, these two boxes can be a 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Overlooked here. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 3, 5, 2, and the 4. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 2, or well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Can be 3, can be 4, yeah, definitely a 5 here. Okay, 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. These two boxes surround the 4, can it be 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Then 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. Then 1, 3, 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 again. 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 3. So I've eliminated the 5 here, so the 5 should be here. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2 is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I've marked this box with 2 or a 3. Well, it can't be a 2 anymore, should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. Is also connected with that box, should be also 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be 2. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. Well, this box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. And that box cannot also be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So these two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be them. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here. And the 5 goes there. Well, now these two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here and the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the last two numbers, 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.